Assalamualaikum and greeting to my panelists and my fellow friends. My name is Abdul Latif bin Abdullah and today I would like to present my final year project which is entitled Development of a Tool to Reconfigure Hybrid Assembly System. For the problem statement, more than one robot is allowed at a workstation at a time. Nevertheless, a robot cannot perform more than one task at a time and preemption is not allowed. Second one is available SIM is typically on closed loop control process based on real-time input from sensor which doesn't take input from human operators. It's only controlled by computer and has problem to reconfigure without software. Next is the workstation life cycle time is determined by the task performed by the human operators. Last one is the problem consists is determining the sequence of job and assigning tasks to robots, minimizing the number of robots required to achieve the cycle time. The objective of this project is to develop a concept of a reconfigurable hybrid assembly system that combines automation and manual process which can make rapid change in production. Second is to develop a tool by using suitable software to reconfigure hybrid assembly system of the SIM. The third one is to solve task assignment and sequencing in a configurable hybrid assembly system where tasks can be divided between humans. And the last one is to evaluate the system's suitability to the process after being applied. For the methodology part, I will start with some research on the tools that are suitable. If not suitable, I will make some research again. Then I will study the layout of the workstation. After that, I will continue by developing a concept of a system. Then I will simulate using software. After that, I will make some observation, and after observation, the data will be collected and time to make decision. If the decision is no, I will make a new developed concept. Then if yes, the methodology will be an. For method planning, I will using software Factory.io to develop a concept of assembly system. So it needs some other software which is S7 PLC SIM Advanced version 3.0 to reconfigure, and also I will need TIA Portal V17. To get the result of this project, I need to use this software PLC SIM Advanced 3.0 as a network. This software links a virtual machine to either a virtual PLC or real-world hardware to facilitate comprehensive simulation of the machine control function during configuration and engineering. So on the right hand is PLC virtual machine device, and in the middle is the real world hardware. If you don't have the hardware, you cannot connect with it. So this is TIA Portal. We need this software to reconfigure the hybrid assembly system. So firstly is we need to do some tagging input output after we develop a concept of a assembly system in Factory.io. Then we need to do PLC logic for every station of the SIM as a module. As you can see beside the station 1, station 2, there is a block, green block. That is a function block. We need this to be put in the main OB. So the main OB will run as we set. The important thing of this software is we need to do function block into a module for every station, so it will easy for us to reconfigure the assembly system. So this software validate code with the full visibility of how the machine will behave without the need for a physical prototype. So this is Factory.io software which connect with TIA Portal. As you can see, this is input output for sensor and actuator of the system of the assembly system. So this is a layout that been developed by Factory.io. First layout is the main layout, and second layout is after reconfigure, and the third one is after one robot removed. You can see the change of station in layout 2. In layout 3, you can see the robot pick and place have been removed. So let's take a look simulation for layout 1 first. Item blue entry, and at station 1 it's weighing process. Station 2 not detect item blue item. Station 3 and 4 also not detect blue because station 3 and 4 and 2 it will detect only green item to make their own process. Let's take a look simulation for layout 2. There is some change in layout 2 where station already reconfigured. So you can see at position station 1, the green item will not detect because the station 1 already being reconfigured to the other position. In layout 1, station 1 are weighing process. So in layout 2, weighing process being the 7 at position 7. Next, let's take a look at layout 3. The station are the same as layout 1. As we can see, there is no more pick and place at the end. We already changed to the curve conveyor. This layout 3 much more promising than other two layouts because it's more fast than layout 1 and layout 2. We cannot see so much difference in these three layout, but the reconfigurable hybrid assembly system are successful. So this is the data that we can analyze. You can see bottleneck occur at layout 1 and layout 2. Layout 1 and layout 2 need to add more time to item entry to avoid bottleneck occur. Bottleneck not occur at layout 3 even though time to item entry are 7 seconds. From the result, layout 3 has the lowest time to item entry to avoid bottleneck. So layout 3 are the most promising layout compared to the other layout by reducing one robot, and the most suitable to the process after being applied. For conclusion, number 1, objective 1 are achieved by using factory I/O in developing a concept of a reconfigurable hybrid assembly system. Next is factory I/O, PLC, SIM Advanced, and TIA Portal are the most suitable software in achieving objective 2. Next is task assignment and sequencing have been solved between human and robot. And next is objective 4 are achieved as this hybrid assembly system layout have improved in terms of reducing bottleneck and maintain high amount of productivity. Lastly, for suggestion, the assembly productivity could be improved by adding workers into the assembly system and eliminate the bottleneck. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.